Here's all you'll need to make a delicious lime drizzle cake. Some limes obviously, butter, eggs, self-raising flour, caster sugar, baking powder and a 10-inch loaf tin. First thing we're going to do, melt the butter in the microwave, and then it's in with the sugar, and you're going to get those two thoroughly mixed together. With your butter and sugar mixed, it's time to give your limes a wash, and then we're just going to take off the green zest. Into your butter and sugar mix, you're going in with your lime zest, most of it anyway. Leave a little bit to sprinkle on your finished cake. And then into there with 2 eggs, and then get those thoroughly mixed in. Once you've mixed in your eggs and zest, it's time to go in with your self-raising flour and your teaspoon of baking powder, and we're just going to sift them in to get some air into the mixture. And it's time to put your whisk down, get a spatula, and you're going to mix the flour in until it all comes together. With your cake mixture mixed, it's time to butter up your tin, cut out a piece of greaseproof paper for the bottom, squash that down into the butter, and then it's time to go in with your mixture. You're going to put this in the oven for around 30-40 minutes until a wooden skewer comes out clean, then you know that it's done. With your cake baking in the oven, it's time to make the lime syrup to go on top. So get a juicer or whatever you've got, and then you're going to get the juice of 2 or 3 limes depending on the size, and pop them into a pan. Into a pan, heat up your lime juice. You don't want it boiling, just nicely hot, and then you're going in with 3 teaspoons of your casting sugar, and then you're going to mix the sugar in until it's all dissolved. Take the juice off the heat and let it cool down a bit. When your wooden toothpick steaky thing comes out clean, you know it's done. Turn it upside down on a plate, remove your greaseproof paper, then it's time with the wooden skewer just to put little holes all over your cake, and then it's onto there with your lime juice and sugar. Then it's time to cut yourself a slice, put the kettle on and enjoy.